Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the keyboard on any Samsung phone. Now, to do that, first of all, just open the Google Play Store and from here, just install any keyboard which you want. Now, for example, I will download this keyboard, then tap on Open. Now, once you download a keyboard on your Samsung phone, then go to your home screen and open Settings. From here, just tap on General Management, then tap on Keyboard List and Default. Now just enable the toggle for the keyboard which you have downloaded and select OK. After you do that, then tap on Default Keyboard and select the keyboard which you have downloaded. And by doing that, you will change the keyboard on your Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is how you can change the keyboard on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.